Okay, participants, I hope everyone has completed the MCQ test. So now we are on the valedictory session. So I welcome all of you on this valedictory session of fifth day online faculty development program, which is sponsored by Atal AICTE. The theme of this FDP is machine learning application in NLP and computer vision. We have with us the head of our department, Dr. Sukhjeet Kaur Ranade, and co-coordinator of this program, Dr. Rajneesh Randhawa. At the outset, I would like to thank Chairman of AICT and all the officials of AICT who have conceptualized Atal Academy program for training the trainers. There are 9 thrust areas as identified by the AICT, and we are fortunate enough that we get a chance to conduct this FDP under their initiative. The beauty of this FDP is that we have the participants from all over India and from all corners of the India, and they can join this program, which otherwise may not be possible in the face-to-face manner. So in this FDP, we received total 161 applications, out of which 104 have joined finally, and rest are not able to join. So this is a few of the glimpse of this of the distribution of the participants. We have the participants from Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana. Although most of the participants are from the Punjab itself, but we have a good number of participants from the Tamil Nadu, from Uttar Pradesh, from Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Telangana also. And a few participants are from the states like West Bengal and Odisha. So overall, we have the participants from all over India, and it is very good. You can say symbol sign that we have that kind of distribution in the participants. So this kind of distribution otherwise may not be possible if we have conducted this FDP in a face-to-face manner. So we are very thankful to AICT for this kind of initiative that connect us all because we all are working in the same field. We are all working on the natural language processing or in the computer vision field. And this FDP provide us the opportunity to connect with each other also, as well as to listen to the eminent speakers from the academics and as well as from the industry. So let me show you the glimpse of this FDP in the form of picture that I have taken from time to time. This is the very first session, the inaugural session, then followed by the first session by Dr. C.V. Jawahar, where Dr. C.V. Jawahar discussed about the translation, multimodal translation models. Then we have a session by Dr. Prashant Rana from Thapar Institute, and Dr. Prashant Rana elaborate the PyGarret system, the you can say module of Python, which is very useful in machine learning. Then we have Dr. Apurva Desai on the first day, third session, and Dr. discussed upon the handwriting recognition modules. On the second day, we have the personalities like Dr. B.B. Chaudhary, that is from ISI Kolkata, and Dr. Chaudhary also discussed about handwritten recognition. Then we have Dr. Poonam Bedi. She threw the light on recommender system. Then we have Mr. Anshul Bawa from industry. Mr. Anshul Bawa is data scientist in Vedantu company, and she also discussed how to scale the natural language applications for a real life scenario. Then we have Dr. Vishal Goel, and he touched upon various aspects like first he discussed NLTK toolkit, then he discussed about the plagiarism detection module that is developed for Indian languages, and also discussed upon the Indian Sign Language translation system that will convert any text into the Indian Sign Language animations. Then we have Dr. Bharti Gavli on the third day, which has a very interesting session on brain-computer interfacing, where she discussed all the kind of sensor that can be used to collect the data, and finally we can have a brain data in the form of numeric values, and that can be used for creating a different kind of applications. On the third day, we have Dr. Naina Sharma as our guest speaker. That also you can say she discussed on the stress management. So that is very important area, because all of we are so much stressed in these days, and we must know how to relieve our stress. So Dr. Naina discussed the techniques to relieve our stress. And on the fourth day, we have Dr. Atul Negi, and we have Dr. Amandeep Kaur from the Central University of Punjab, and we have Dr. Kuljit Kaur. She discussed upon the regular expressions very nicely, and how we can use the regular expression in the text processing. Then finally, we today we have two speakers, Dr. Chakravarti Bhagwati and Dr. Sarabjot Singh. Dr. Chakravarti discussed about the machine learning for the Telugu languages, and Dr. Sarabjot also discussed about the you can say uh, uh, embedding, word embedding. The discussion of Dr. Sarabjot is upon the word embedding and how we can convert our text into the embeddings, and what are the benefits of converting these embeddings and where they can be used. So Dr. Sarabjot explained all those things very well. So these are few of the glimpses of uh, our faculty development program. Now we have some instructions for all the participants. All the videos that we have created from all the sessions, they are available on the YouTube channel, and the link has already been shared with you. All the participants have to fill the feedback form, which is available in their account on the Atal portal. So now make this a point that otherwise you are filling the feedback form in the Google form, which is shared by me. But now you have to fill the feedback form, which is available on the Atal portal in your own account. So you have to log in your account. You will see a feedback link, and you have to fill the feedback form on the Atal account. And the certificate will be provided by the Atal AICT, and it will be available on your portal itself. Only e-certificate will be provided, and no hard copy will be given by the AICT. And certificate generation requires three criteria to meet. The very first one is that your attendance, and second one is the marks in the test, and third one is the feedback. So when your attendance will be uploaded, when your marks will be uploaded, and when you fill the feedback form, only then you will be able to download the certificate. So we will update your attendance, we will update your marks on the portal within a day or so, and you have to fill the feedback form yourself. So you have to fill the feedback. That is the only task that you have to perform. You have to fill the feedback form on the Atal portal through your accounts. You have to log in your accounts on the Atal portal, find the feedback link, and fill that feedback form. And for any other query, you can drop a message on a WhatsApp group or email to me directly. So now we have our head of the department, Dr. Sukhjeet Kaur Ranade with us. She has joined us. And now I request Dr. Sukhjeet Kaur ji to please say a few words about this program. Share your word with the participants. Over to Dr. Sukhjeet Kaur.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am. You are audible.
Audible? Okay, perfect. So our person from the AICT, they are also available with us. Dr. Abhijit Deogirikar. Josan?
No, ma'am, I don't think so.
Okay, right. So our distinguished speakers of the day, Dr. Chakravarti Bhagwati from University of Hyderabad, Dr. Sarabjot Anand, Sabud Foundation, and Mr. Abhijit Deogirikar, who is the founder and CEO, Copper Cloud IoTech, who was there with us from AICTE, and the coordinator, Dr. Gurpreet Singh Josan, our co-coordinators, Dr. Rajneesh Randhawa, Dr. Maninder Singh, and Mr. Amarveer Singh, and my dear participants. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to all the participants who have successfully completed this faculty development program sponsored by AICT Training and Learning Academy. In short, we call it AICT Atal. in the thrust area of machine learning applications in NLP and computer vision. So this FDP, it was organized by the department and was spread over 5 days from 4th October to 8th of October. The basic purpose of such FDPs and the workshops is not only to impart the subject knowledge. So in fact, apart from giving the subject knowledge and the exploring the possibility of research and the latest trend in the thrust area, the purpose of the FDP is to provide a platform where the participants and experts, they can interact, they can meet, and they can share the experiences. And I feel this online platform, it is not less than any of the offline platforms, because here we have two different methods of communication. One is you can speak online also, and you can write it in chat also. So this writing part, this which is missing in the offline mode. So I appreciate the effort of the AICT to initiate such kind of online FDPs and is still continuing with us, right? So I hope all the participants, they are benefited from this FDP by having the interactive session, and they must have shared the email IDs and the telephone numbers or the other methods of communications also. So I hope all are benefited, and they will open up a new avenues for the research in the area of NLP and computer vision. And before we have this, I leave this, so I will just like to take few minutes to thank the real hard workers and the organizers of this show. First of all, I like to thank Dr. Gurpreet Singh Josan, the coordinator who handled this entire FDP right from applying for the FDP, contacting the resource persons, preparing schedule, making all other necessary arrangements. And really, I personally appreciate Dr. Josan, the energy that you carry, really. Big thank you. And next, I would also like to thank Dr. Rajneesh Randhawa, the coordinator, who's co-coordinator, who supported us through each step and was available around the corner, and at every 24 hours she was available. I would also extend my thanks to Maninder and Amarveer for being there with us. And my special sincere thanks to our advisory committee consisting of Dr. Lehel. He was a very resourceful person, Dr. Bawa, Dr. Neeraj Sharma, Dr. Dharamveer Sharma, Dr. Gagan, Dr. Shal Goel. As all of them, they have provided a perfect logistic support and guidance. And I extend my thanks to the man behind the curtains, Mr. Dilbag Singh, who was there to provide us with the technical support. Thank you, Dilbag ji. And I also thank all the AICT sponsors and the coordinators for giving us an opportunity to conduct this FDP. And I also thank all the resource persons for sparing their valuable time and sharing valuable knowledge and experience with our participants. We are looking forward for more such kind of events, and we'll stay in touch with all the resource persons and the participants in the future. And I thank the university authorities for their support at each step. And a big thank you, in fact, this is the last but not the least, that a big thank you to all the participants who have been the part of this FDP, because this event would not have been possible and in fact have been meaningless without their presence. And I'm sure you had a very productive learning experience, and I wish you good luck for whatever research area you are now planning to pursue, or whatever research work you are now motivated to do after having this FDP. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Josan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your appreciation. Now I request participants to share their experiences, good or bad, whatever they have, with us, so that we can improve in future. I would like to call Dr. D. Sudha to share her experience.
Yes, sir. Can I hear everyone, sir?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Very good afternoon to one and all. I am Dr. D. Sudha, Assistant Professor, working as a assistant professor in a Panimalar Engineering College. It's my privilege to honor all the dignitaries, session stars, AICT teams to organize the 5 days FDP on machine learning and applications in natural language processing and computer vision. First of all, let me thank each and everyone who attended this FDP, gained some more valuable, informative, and experienced a lot about machine learning areas and its various applications. Let me appreciate all the keynote speakers and session chairs who organized this 5 days FDP. Let me thank each and everyone, the keynote speakers, Dr. C.V. Javagar sir, IIT Hyderabad, who had spoken about towards multimodal translation and the use of neural networks, optimal character recognition, text recognition, speech and text processing. He gives a valuable information about the basics of machine learning and various applications. Very happy, sir. Next, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Rana. Tapar University has been given excellent talk about the machine learning classifications and regression sessions. Based on that, he gave a hands-on session using the Python module of PyCaret. It was really very valuable hands-on session and most helpful to the youngsters and research academicians also. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to extend my hearty thankful to Dr. Apurva Desi, BNGSU Gujarat. He handled the applications of machine learning techniques in Gujarati language by using various Gujarati data sets. It was most useful to learn the other different states data sets and languages to various modes of researchers. Next, I'd like to extend my sincere and heartfelt thankful to Dr. B. Chowdhury, ISI, Kolkata. He had addressed the problem handwriting recognizing using machine learning and data learning tasks. Next, I'd like to extend my humble thanks to Dr. Poonam Bedi ma'am, Delhi University. She had delivered the changes and various opportunities of using recommended systems. Like next, I'd like to thank Mr. Anshul Bawa. He's a data scientist. He is a young and joyful person. He delivered the theme of natural language. Everyone, we enjoyed his session using the research-oriented explanation to the and then he used the NLP in various real-time applications. Next, I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. Vishal Goyal, Punjabi University. He gave the presentations on brain medical image processing. And next, I will thank to Dr. Bharti Govali, who delivered the session of brain-computer interface, who have gained the more knowledge on the useful of brain and its various functions. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to extend my thankful to Dr. Atul Maggi, Hyderabad. He delivered the face recognition problem along with various application towards research focus. Next, I would like to thank Dr. Naina Sahib, who handled the session on stress management. It is very really useful to reduce the stress on various categories of working peoples. Next, I would like to extend my humble thanks to all the participants and also along with other keynote speakers, eminent keynote speakers, Dr. Amanath Kaur, Dr. Kuljit Kaur, Dr. Chakravarti Bagh, then Dr. Sarabhat Singh. I would like to thank all the eminent keynote speakers to thank our distinguished, excellent presentation and making this seminar a very meaningful and interesting. I would like to express our deepful gratitude to the eminent speakers for his presence in the seminar. We have been more fortunate to have the eminent person from various academics, industries, and utility work in the area of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. I take this opportunity to thank the entire AICT technical committee and extend my sincere thanks to all the guest invites who have come from various states for their online support mode, for their cooperation and support. I thank them for their minute-to-minute support and guidance for encouraging at every point of time in the organization of this great event. Finally, I thank all the participants who have greatly helped us to organizing this FDP as a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now I call Mr. Vikas Verma to share his views with us. Mr. Vikas Verma.
Can you please confirm, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, you are audible.
I'm really grateful to you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share my feedback. Well, to begin with, this was a tremendous effort from the team from your side, from Punjabi University exclusively. this session, the last session for the 5 days was very fruitful, particularly for people like me who are working in the domain of NLP. It begins with the case regarding, we have eminent scholars, eminent professors in this domain. There has been elaborative sessions for the same. To name a few, the one that I felt that was mind blowing, it revolved the case regarding translation activities and how to work regarding Python. The case regarding Unity was briefly and exhaustively discussed. Then certain application of recommendation system was again fabulous. The entire concept of vision was provided a new directions. So in nutshell, I would say that the effort of the entire organizers, the speakers, was really appreciable. If you ask me personally, sir, and I think everybody from the audience side, especially the retrievers, they would all agree in consensus that the session that was particularly on the theme of NLP toolkit, which is essentially one of the primary areas if we want to work in the case of Python, because this is the route from which we could explore the entire domain of NLP. That was fabulously delivered by Dr. Vishal Goel. I feel there is no comparison in other domains also. We have other philosophers and other teachers who guided the case. The main, what I felt that he was like delivering the case in case we were all together. We are not separately, we are not, sitting at distance apart. We are sitting in a classroom. So this environment was given to him, it was provided by him. All the topics I feel he has covered up exhaustively, particularly from the area of research orientation was very well tailored. Then academically, if you ask that he covered up the entire case regarding NLP techniques, then parsing, then generation, corpus creation, and everything, the nuts and bolts regarding NLP has been clearly dealt with him. And moreover, sir, I feel Python is a language which is, has been gaining attention through its world. Ever since we are talking about the new education policy also, everybody knows that Python is being implemented in schools. It has been allocated in certain modules of graduation and PG classes also. He has described likewise how to deal with real-time cases, how to check flag of your content. He has cited various examples, particularly from his area of Shodh Ganga and Shodh Mapat. And so, what I feel that everybody these days is rushing after English, and we are Indians, we belong to Indo-Aryan community, and there has been fewer work which has been done in terms of research regarding these languages. And I feel that this topic of NLP, including the case regarding computer vision, is definitely going to help people. And I'm sure that your efforts are really being phenomenal, and that is definitely going to help people like us also. So in the last, I'm really thankful to you also, sir. Dr. Joseph, you have been really a benchmark. You have been coordinating the entire event starting from the 4th of October till this time. And you are a man of energy. This I mark my words to Dr. Sujit Kaur Ranade, the Honorable Head of our Punjab University Department. She has actually said that you are the sole person, you are the energy factor behind this event. So I congratulate you. I'm really thankful to the entire team of Punjabi University and the man who stated and who started this concept of the case regarding inclusion of various regional languages, Dr. Leher. So my best wishes to the entire team. I'm really proud. I feel proud to be a part of this event. Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It was a teamwork basically. There are a lot of person behind the scene also.
Yes.
You are just looking me because I am on the screen, but a lot of efforts have been put behind me also. So I am able to perform. I am able to organize all this just because of the effort of a team, full team of my department, and I am really thankful to all the faculty members of my department who supports me for organizing this faculty development program.
Yes.
So next, Dr. K. Ramakrishna is with us, and I request him to please share his experiences. Dr. K. Ramakrishna ji, please.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. So this is Dr. Ramakrishna Kulipogu from Stanley College of Engineering and Technology for Women, Hyderabad, Telangana. I work as a professor in computer science and IT department. So it has been very inspiring for me particularly. I am really delighted to be part of this great faculty development program initiated by the AICTE and the Atal Academy. And I first let me congratulate the Department of Computer Science, Punjab University, Patiala, and particularly the head of the department, Gurpreet Joshan, and then Subjit Kaur Ranade madam, for their continuous effort to keep this program very active and alive and interactive session. So really, we have fallen the right line. So I have attended a few other programs with Amazon, and then Infosys, and I have attended some of the real-time workshops. But this is I really felt this workshop is one of the best workshop on par with the real-time workshops conducted by the MNCs. I really congratulate for you for selecting such a best resources for us. The biggest challenge in conducting FDPs is selecting the resource persons, and I see the renewable personalities and then the masters of the natural language processing of this age are placed in the schedule. I really seen the latest dynamics are shared with us by the BB Chowdhury, and then in handwritten, and I may not be able to mention all the names because my colleagues already gave the glimpses of the entire workshop, but I wanted to share with you as a participant instead of talking about individual resource person. No individual resource person is less than anybody because they all gave the right directions, right content, and right analysis, and particularly the hands-off sessions. So were really good, but I also have an input to this organizing team. Maybe this is the time because I also know the time constraint. So because of the time constraint, we are rushing just executing and forwarding, like reading a book. But so I seek the kind attention of this particularly practical sessions. So because they are really good, how the Rana sir drive us is really good. So as researchers, we are already in the NLP and then able to understand everything. So in a right flow, but whereas it is little difficult for the freshers. It is little difficult for the freshers, but I think hope after 2 days, the freshers also feeling very comfortable continuing with us. So, but really this is awesome, sir. Particularly myself, I have found a lot of scope in indigenous natural language processing and its applications. So we hope we will be guided and then taken along with you to see the more indigenous natural language applications would come and compete with the European countries. So I think this is one of the best effort. I really congratulate. Thank you very much, sir, for giving this great opportunity. Once again, my heartfelt thanks to the Punjab University Patiala and the entire team. And also lastly, I thank all the fellow participants who made this session very live and interactive. Thank you very much, sir. I also request one more thing. I request the group to be continued to share the research activities across the country. Thank you very much, sir. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We have your suggestions, and these are really good. That I personally also want to continue the group, and because we all people are like-minded and we are all working in the same field, so this group will help us to communicate with each other and share our views and for future such events also. And also we will plan definitely schedule a practical session in near future, and we will inform you all. So please join in that also. And thank you very much. Any other participant want to share his or her views? Okay, so now I request our co-coordinator, Dr. Rajneesh Randhawa ji, to please give the concluding remarks. Over to Dr. Rajneesh Randhawa ji, please.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm hereby giving the concluding remarks on this faculty development program on machine learning and applications in NLP and computer vision. There has been overwhelming response in this FDP with more than 150 participants all over the India. The FDP was spread over 5 days with 14 sessions, and all the sessions highlighted the advances in NLP and computer vision using machine learning. In addition to this, one session on stress management was also part of this FDP. The speakers were eminent persons in their field from prestigious institutes, and the speakers were Dr. C.B. Jawahar from IIIT Hyderabad, Dr. P.S. Rana from Thapar University, Patiala, Dr. Renu Dhir from NIT Jalandhar, Dr. B.B. Chaudhary, ISI Kolkata, Dr. Poonam Beti, Delhi University, Mr. Anshul Baba, data scientist from Vedantu Innovations Private Limited, Dr. Vishal Goyal from Punjabi University, Patiala, Dr. Bharti from Marathwada University, Aurangabad, Dr. Naina Sharma, Department of Psychology, Punjabi University, Patiala, Dr. Atul Negi, University of Hyderabad, Dr. Parminder Singh, GNU Ludhiana, Dr. Kuljit Kaur, GNU Amritsar, Dr. Chakravarti Bhagwati, University of Hyderabad, and Dr. Amandeep Kaur, Central University, Bathinda, Punjab. Okay, so I'm sure that all of us have been benefited from this FDP, and all the participants, they must have learned a lot from this FDP, and I hope in future also we will be organizing such type of FDPs. Thank you all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Finally,
Sir.
I would like to thank all the participants and hope that the last 5 days are very much informative and interesting to them. Although we have some issues like audio disconnection or network issues that are beyond our control, basically, but overall, I feel that this FDP concludes very well. So we look forward to see you in future FDPs and workshops similar to these. And thank you very much for associating with us for this FDP. Thank you and goodbye. So just an announcement that please fill the feedback on the Atal FTP portal. Only then you will be able to generate the certificate.
Thank you, sir. Thanks you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you, everyone, and all the best.
Okay.
आ जा समीर